Greece nationalism lo chua dan chu kumi Turkish tak ho Musulman ho kami anron in lak wong lai khan Balkan Peninsula
Turkish Empire mo.
oh Turkish Empire ka anron than chau khan Balkan Peninsula antita Balkan ti om zia chu tlang ram ti na nia mo chuan khumi tlang rama khuan tlang raman chiar chu Turkey so na tlang raman chiar chu Greek area khon nia chuan Serbia ni boka Bulgaria ni boka chuan Albanian ho an ni boka mo khumi khum ho ko Christian kingdom an ni ta ni chu ma siang Christian kingdom isi khan Turkey so Musulman ho khan an oplat me mo ngora nakina kachir nga toiten kan chir kan soidon
Turkish Empire kan khang ho kha an ma ni a transform an tum nge heta hen chat GPT hi oma thalu tu kamon
khami te Balkan Peninsula ka Turkey so na uncontrol na trangkhan tal chu freedom kan ron sol kaka nationalism ti chu ram hangai na ram ve na ti na unification kha chu in pung khat na ti
unified form mo War of Independence ka ta chuan Megali idea Asia Minor catastrophe an zir tlem sin zir chikim sia a boy thak ro lu tuka high school level hi mo
world history a chuan inhriat tur chu American ho khuan an independence ko British atanga an sual chuan nia mo hey NWO antia New World Order antia kha kovel mun sang Europe atanga lungoi lo kan New World a kan an pem khom ta an ram kha alo hausain resource an nga lu to ka British so hian an zuk op vele ta chuan kami new settler so kha pem thar te ho khan British so hian min op na chan tur a om lo heta hian thoveng takin kan omang an tia ma siang new dweller so khan an mani meya an ne theilo wang khan French so khan som ve ta mo French le new dweller so khan British so ka America soil trangkon an om chok ta American War of Independence kan ti 1776 4th of July American Independence ania chuan khami trangkhan American Civil War of Independence trangkhan French Revolution hi a inspire le ta ne chu ta chuan French Revolution karon piang chuak le ta chuan French Revolution atang hian Indian intellectual so hian Indian freedom movement hian sual chuak le ta ne chu ain zom khom na sel to ngara kamu the le to lo
khoi mo lo la lok de kalau chair sak don chimi Nationalism in Greece achon mo in the 18th century the Turkish Empire in Europe included the whole of what is known as the Balkan Peninsula. Balkan is a Turkish word meaning mountains, and as the term of political geography, it is applied to the mountainous country between the river Danube and the Aegean Sea. Since the prehistoric times, this region has been the meeting place of various races such as Greeks, Serbs, Bulgars,
pakhat na Greeks,
Serbs, Serbians ho mo,
Serbians,
Bulgars mo,
Bulgars te, Algerians te,
Albanians.
Albanians zo mo.
The inhabitants of the Balkan Peninsula were mostly Christians and only sparkling of Turkish overlords. In the 18th century, the Turkish power in Europe began to decline. Perceptibly, in the decline of the Turkish Empire, people of the Balkan region saw
Ani 18th century ka time frame siya.
a time frame mo.
18th century ang tireng chuan 1700 tama 1799 ang yang 18th century ka. Chumi chung chuan je chu 1700 tama 1799 chung Greece nationalism kan sual chok dawn ani chu.